Let's do single thread inlay. You're going to cut your thread inlay, tape it down to the blank, then start your main wrap. Tape the tag end down. Before you do a crossover, you need to put a pull through in, and then I do 5 turns to lock mine in. Pull your tag away, and then pull as you turn the blank. I like to pull my tag to the bottom side as well. Pull it across and pull the pull through up further away. Zoom in so you can see it. Cut that, pull it through. Usually it will do a perfect little single thread right there because of the momentum of pulling it. Wrap the rest of your guide like normal. Put your pull through in. Pack it. Pull it through. Cut the tag off. And there you go.